Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by exposing the problem. Turn on the paragraph mark so you see spaces, tabs, and non-breaking spaces. Once visible, select the offending text and note whether it's justified. Justification often creates large gaps when lines have few words. Then open the Font Dialog Advanced Tab Check Spacing, set to normal, and turn off any unusual scale or kerning. This reduces character-level causes. Do this immediately so you can confirm whether the gap is due to formatting, characters, or paragraph. Now you act. Press Ctrl+H and replace two spaces with one, then run it again until no doubles remain. Also replace non-breaking spaces S with normal spaces. Once done, select the text and switch alignment from justified to align left to stop stretching. If you must justify, enable automatic hyphenation in layout right arrow hyphenation to break long words. Finally, clear manual formatting or modify the paragraph style's spacing and line break options so the fix persists across the document. Finish by standardizing the corrected text. Update the paragraph style or reapply normal so future edits keep the spacing. If gaps persist, use reveal formatting to compare properties line by line. Paste the selection into Notepad and back into Word to remove stubborn hidden formatting, then reapply styles. A key troubleshooting tip: check the font, disabled ligatures, compatibility mode, or a corrupt font can create odd gaps. Switch fonts briefly to confirm, and reinstall the font if switching fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.